The trials of 5 defendants believed to have been involved in Indonesia's top murder case in 2022, the murder of Police Brigadier Yosua Hutabarat, continues at the South Jakarta District Court and almost reached its final stage when judges will make their decisions.
But before heading to the end of the trial stage, state prosecutors must read out their indictments to 5 premeditated murder defendants: Ferdi Sambo, Putri Chandrawati, Richard Eliezer, Ricky Rizal, and Kuat Ma'ruf, after all of the defendants were examined to give their final statements to defend themselves. And about it, MGN's Diandra Mukni has her report.
This week, all of defendants in the murder case of Police Brigadier Yosua Hutabarat have been examined their own testimonies before the court to give their last personal defense against state prosecutors' allegations. It means the murder trial is entering a new chapter to hear prosecutors' demands for their punishment, which will be held next week. One of the defendants, Putri Chandrawati, was the last to be examined to give her last defense statement in person through her response of all questions appeared in the trial session. The panel of judges developed Putri's description about her experience of sexual violence in today's session. Presiding judge of the trial doubts on Putri Chandrawati's statement as she did not take any medical check to prove her claim of experiencing sexual violence. At the same time, the judge assumed that Putri, who is a graduate of dentistry, is quite literate about health protocol regarding that issue. The judge also still suspected some details given by Putri's husband, Ferdi Sambo, who is also a defendant in the same murder case but is tried in a separate trial. Ferdi Sambo is so far seen as the main suspect in the murder case. Besides facing murder case trial, Ferdi Sambo is also tried in a separate case that is a conjunction with the murder case of Yosua, one of his adjutants, which is obstruction of justice. Some of Ferdi Sambo's actions suspiciously lead to the indictment of premeditated murder. First, Richard Eliezer, another defendant in the murder case, said that Sambo had told him about the shootout scenario at his official residence in Duren 3 before Yosua was executed. And second, Ferdi Sambo is also accused wearing gloves and carrying a weapon when arriving at Duren 3 a few moments before the shooting. Third, Ferdi Sambo is accused of offering 1 billion rupiah to Richard and 500 million rupiah each to Ricky and Kuat. He is also accused of ordering the removal of evidence and obstruction the investigation. All of 5 defendants in the murder case of Yosua are Ferdi Sambo, Putri Chandrawati, Richard Eliezer, Ricky Rizal, and Kuat Ma'ruf, and all of them are charged with Article 340 of the Criminal Code on premeditated murder. They face capital punishment of death penalty or life imprisonment and 20 years behind bars if proven guilty. From Jakarta, Diandra Mukni, Febri Septian, Media Group Network.